Hi, it's Heron from the Westport River Watershed Alliance. We're going to do a video on a vernal pool today. We'll start off with a visit to a vernal pool that we went to see a couple days ago. And then we will take a look at the edge of the vernal pool, see if we can find any of the creatures that are moving around inside there. And we took some water back to the office to see if we could find anything with our microscope.
Okay, here we are at the vernal pool that we've been studying all year, right in Westport. And you can see it has lots of water, so it's been filled up. You can actually hear the wood frog making its little call. If we look down over here by the side of the vernal pool, you can actually see all of the tadpoles. Those are wood frog tadpoles, and there's hundreds of them. There's some right on this rock right here. So many tadpoles. All right, here are some salamander eggs. This spot has a whole bunch that are together. You can see those kind of cloudy looking eggs that are underneath the surface of the water. A whole bunch of salamanders that haven't quite hatched yet. Here's the microscope that we have at the River Center. We have the vernal pool water right there, and this microscope projects up to a TV so that we can see things really big up on the screen. So when we just look through, you can see some little things swimming around. Those are Daphnia, and of course they're moving all over the place, so they're tough to keep track of. And up in the corner, there's also this little insect here. This is a dragonfly nymph. So a baby dragonfly that's very small right now, that's just starting to grow up in the vernal pool. There's another little thing moving around over here, which is called a phantom midge. And it gets that name because it's so see-through. You can barely find them when you're trying to look in the water. Here's another cool creature that we found in the water from the vernal pool. This one is a baby dragonfly, or it's called a dragonfly nymph. And it's so small you can't see it with your eyes. You can only really see it with this microscope. But that's what the dragonfly looks like before it goes through its big change and gets its wings and leaves the vernal pool. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's moving. The other little things swimming by are more Daphnia. There's a lot of Daphnia in here. Thanks for watching our video on vernal pools, and we hope to come back and make another video in a few weeks to see how things have changed and developed.